Right now, there are 12 tools dominating the network monitoring shortlists: Kentik, Datadog, SolarWinds NPM, LogicMonitor, Cisco ThousandEyes, Dynatrace, Auvik, Paessler PRTG, ManageEngine OpManager, Zabbix, OpenNMS, and WhatsUp Gold. They span 4 overlapping categories: network intelligence platforms, full-stack observability, digital experience monitoring, and traditional network performance monitoring, including open source tools. Let's talk about how each of these tools differ and which platform is the right fit for which type of team. Modern enterprise buyers no longer compare only classic NPM tools. In real evaluations, network intelligence, observability, DEM, and traditional NPM might all show up on the same shortlist. So instead of pretending each tool is a one-to-one replacement, let's walk through each category and the tools that lead it. Kentik is the leading network intelligence platform for hybrid, multi-cloud, WAN, and interconnected networks. It unifies traffic analysis, network metrics, routing context, cloud telemetry, and synthetic testing all in one platform, and then layers AI on top. Kentik AI Advisor interprets natural language questions, plans multi-step investigations, and returns evidence-backed answers grounded in your own network data. Cause analysis automatically explains traffic spikes and drops by surfacing exactly what changed. And custom network context plus runbooks lets teams encode their own architecture and troubleshooting workflows directly into the platform. Kentik is the strongest fit when your toughest networking problems involve traffic, routing, cloud paths, SaaS dependencies, or internet performance. Datadog is a strong choice when network monitoring is part of a broader observability stack, alongside infrastructure, logs, traces, and cloud services. Cloud network monitoring maps service-to-service dependencies, and network device monitoring adds SNMP-based device coverage. Dynatrace targets full-stack observability with Davis AI, which uses deterministic causal analysis to connect network issues to application and business impact. Both are best when you need network signals tightly correlated with application telemetry, though neither is as network-first as a dedicated network intelligence platform. LogicMonitor is the strongest pick for teams that want broad, SaaS-based hybrid infrastructure monitoring in a single platform. Automated discovery, dynamic topology, wide device coverage, and AIOps-style alerting make it a frequent shortlist entry for enterprises monitoring network, cloud, and infrastructure together, though it's less network specialized than a dedicated network intelligence platform for deep traffic, routing, or internet path investigations. Cisco ThousandEyes specializes in outside-in visibility into internet, SaaS, and cloud paths. Lightweight cloud, enterprise, and endpoint agents run continuous synthetic tests and collect hop-by-hop path data. It's the go-to for diagnosing whether a problem lives in your own network, at the SaaS provider, or somewhere on the internet in between. SolarWinds NPM remains popular for mature, device-centric monitoring with broad SNMP coverage and cross-layer correlation through its perfstack and NetPath diagnostic tools. ManageEngine OpManager offers strong discovery and topology in a self-hosted model. Paessler PRTG is approachable and sensor-based, a common pick for SMBs and mid-market teams. WhatsUp Gold rounds out the category with straightforward dashboards and layer 2 and 3 mapping for centralized visibility. Auvik is built for MSPs and distributed enterprises. Cloud delivery, real-time mapping, and a multi-tenant model make it fast to deploy across many sites or customers, though it's less specialized for deep traffic and routing investigations. Zabbix and OpenNMS lead the open source category. Zabbix is broad and flexible for general infrastructure monitoring with strong templating. OpenNMS is more specialized for large or distributed networks and pairs fault, performance, and traffic monitoring at enterprise scale. Both deliver real value, but both require skilled in-house ownership. The right tool depends less on feature checklists and more on the kinds of questions your team needs to answer every day. Choose Kentik when network-first visibility and AI-guided investigation are priorities. Choose Datadog or Dynatrace when full-stack observability is the operating model. Choose LogicMonitor when you want broad, SaaS-based hybrid infrastructure monitoring in one platform. Choose ThousandEyes when user experience hinges on internet and SaaS paths. Choose SolarWinds, ManageEngine PRTG, or WhatsUp Gold when self-hosted device-centric monitoring fits you. Choose Auvik for distributed sites and MSP work. Choose Zabbix or OpenNMS when you want open source flexibility and have the team to own it. For the full breakdown, capsule reviews, an at-a-glance comparison table, pricing notes, and a deeper buying framework, see our article, Best Network Monitoring Tools, linked in the description. And if you'd like to see how Kentik approaches network intelligence, you'll find links to request a demo or start a free trial there as well.